November 1999 to November 2001. Who served as the principal scientific advisor to the government of India from November 1999 to November 2001. Hit the buzzer and give me the answer. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is the final here. 2001, November 2001. Who served as the principal scientific advisor? We have a buzzer from Team 4. That's a wrong answer. Press the buzzer. Team 2 presses it first. APJ Abdul Kalam, Team 2 gets the point for that. I'm going to come to the person who presses the buzzer. The second question is India are the maximum numbers of Asiatic lions found. In which national park in India are the maximum number of Asiatic lions found? Team 2 presses the buzzer. Gir National Park, absolutely right. Has to be followed by a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The third question now. Please do not press the buzzer. All the buzzers are working. We're taking care of that. The third one is the real name of which Indian ruler was Buddha Singh. The real name of which Indian ruler was Buddha Singh. You can find the answer using your Idea 3G net setters. You're getting super fast internet speed using Idea 3G. I repeat the question, the real name, and we have a buzzer from Team 1. Ranjit Singh, absolutely right. Put your hands together for Team 1. Time for the fourth question now. Screenwriter Simon Beaufoy visited India 3 times while writing the screenplay of which film? I repeat, screenwriter Simon visited India 3 times while writing the screenplay of which film? There was a film for which Simon visited India. What is that film? What is the name of that film? Find the answer using Idea 3G net setter. The full name is Simon Beaufoy. I'll spell it for you. Simon Beaufoy. We have a buzzer from Team 1. Absolutely right. Slumdog Millionaire is the correct answer. We're done with 4 questions here. The fifth one is the flavor of which famous rice is caused by the aroma of compound 2-acetyl 1-pyroline. We have a buzzer. The next question is Tata Consultancy Services is associated with which Formula 1 team? The TCS is associated with which Formula 1 team? There's a Formula 1 team with which TCS is associated. What is the name of that Formula 1 team? We have a buzzer from Team 2. That's a wrong answer. Press the buzzer before you give the answer here. Team 3.
Ferrari.
Absolutely right. Ferrari is the correct answer. The finals of Idea 3G presents Tuna Einstein. This is the grand finale here. 6 more questions to go, ladies and gentlemen. Sixes in test matches. Which Indian has hit the most number of sixes in test matches? Team 2 presses the buzzer there. That's a wrong answer. Don't wrong the answers because this is the finals here. Virendra Sehwag, absolutely right. Team 4 gets the points for that. That means 4 more questions away from the winners of the Idea 3G Tuna Einstein. In 1971, which economist joined the government of India as economic advisor in the Commerce Ministry? I repeat, in 1971, which economist joined the government of India as economic advisor in the Commerce Ministry? 1971, which economist? Team 3 presses the buzzer. Dr. Manmohan Singh, absolutely right. Team 3 gets the point for that. 3 more questions. There we go. India celebrates National Science Day every year to commemorate. I didn't answer the question completely. You pressed the buzzer, you're disqualified from this round. In 1971, which economist joined the government of India as economic advisor in the Commerce Ministry? Okay, I'm sorry. India celebrates National. Who gave R.D. Burman the nickname Pancham? R.D. Burman साहब को पंचम के नाम से जाना जाता है. Who has given that name Pancham? Team 4, Team 3 and Team 2. Team 2 presses the buzzer again. That's a wrong answer. Team left, press the buzzer, come on. Team 3. Can we have the answer for you? Team 3. That's the wrong answer. Team 4, your call. No, the correct answer is Ashok Kumar. So no one gets the point for that. Now we are moving on to the final question here. We're super fast internet speed out here. One step away. The winners are going to get some amazing prizes out here. A trip to Colombo for the winners of the Idea 3G Chennai Einstein. Followed by the second position gets a laptop from Idea Cellular. The third one is going to get a netbook. And also we've got some Idea 3G smartphones and net setters to be given away. So, we cannot tell that. That's going to be at the end. Okay, so teams, ready for it? One final question. We're waiting for you. How many of you say team 3 and team 4? How many of you say no one is going to win? Alright.
Come on, team 10.
So team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. The final round here. "13 apartments." The winners are here with us. And the finalists are now here sitting with us. One final question which is going to decide the winner of the Idea 3G Chennai Einstein. We are waiting for team 1 here. Team 1, are you ready? Ready? Team 1, Team 2, Team 3 and Team 4. One final question now. There we go. Who was the first person from Andhra Pradesh to become the Prime Minister of India? Team 1. Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, absolutely right. So team 1 gets the point for that. The scores are getting calculated and very soon we're going to have the winners here with us. This is the Idea 3G Chennai Einstein powered by Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. We're done with all the rounds. The scores are getting calculated. And then only press the buzzer. 2, 3 and 4. There we go. Your first question is, Harpal Singh of Delhi was the first proud Indian owner of which car?
Maruti 800.
Absolutely right. Okay. You want an easy one or you want a difficult one? You want a difficult one. What do they want? What do you want? A difficult one? Okay. Which famous football club is run by the Alemayo family of Goa? A-L-E-M-A-O. Alemayo family of Goa. What is the name of that famous football club? That is what they're supposed to find because we have got the Idea 3G net setters here. They'll be able to Google the answers at a super fast internet speed and they will be able to get the correct answers. It's an open book exam. We're giving you the super fast speed of the Idea 3G net setters. What better can you ask for? Come on team, hurry up. Team 4. Churchill Brothers, absolutely right. Okay, now one last question for Team 2 and Team 4. Let's see who's going to answer. It's only between Team 2 and Team 4. If you're answering it wrong, you get 1 negative point. Marcos, M-A-R-C-O-S, is the Elite Special Operations Unit of which branch of the Armed Forces of India? Marcos is an Elite Special Operations Unit of the which branch of the Armed Forces of India? Team 4, hit the buzzer. Air Force. That's the wrong answer. Team 2, if you get this right, take your time. If you get this right, you'll be leading. Marcos.
Indian Navy.
Indian Navy. Team 2 gets it right. So we are calculating the scores there. Very soon we're going to have the winners. Remember.